Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Welcome to today's video. My name is Elizabeth and I am going to quickly clean the kitchen. I have dishes, I have the wiping to do, the floor to mop. I have clean the kitchen generally, basically that. So let's get into the video. If you just joined me, hit the subscribe button, like this video, share if you can. My returning subscribers, I love you so much for returning back to my channel. Supporting this channel is highly appreciated. I will always appreciate you. So guys, what is facing me right now is this thing here. Because I wasn't feeling well. I ate eggs with bread, even though I don't really like it. If it's not eggs from the restaurant, I didn't. So this is the things. I'm gonna quickly do the dishes and mop the floor and quickly do the not laundry. I will do the bedroom also. Let's put water on the fire while I am cleaning up the table, like removing dibiana, clean the dibiana nyana, so that I can wash them gabzana.
You are my lucky charm. I hold you close in the night in my arms. And when we open our eyes, my worries fade away. 'Cause you gave me your heart in the light of day, in the light of day. Sweet delight, you are my lucky charm. I hold you close in the night in my arms. And when we open our eyes, my worries fade away. 'Cause you gave me your heart in the light of day, in the light of day.
I always make sure that I use hot water. It doesn't matter if dishes are greasy or what, but I always use hot water. Since that pandemic we were facing, I feel it's important to use hot water so that it can kill germs, and a little bit of a bleach, yeah, and dishwashing soap. So guys, I have a problem of flies. There are these small flies looking like kids of flies. I don't know how to treat them. They just annoy me. They're just all over. I tried spraying vinegar, but they always come back. I don't know if they come from the pit toilet or because they are a lot, and they just annoy me.
I can't take it anymore. My mind's about to go to war. I need someone to save me from myself, to hear me cry when I call out for help. I blame it on the voices that are in my head, wondering if they'll ever be put to bed. Feels like I am close to reaching my wit's end, holding out, but I'm about to blow it up like a volcano. Another day to lose control. There's a fire in my bones. My sight gets blurry, pushing back the tears. Should take a leap of faith and face my fear. I blame it on the voices that are in my head, wondering if they'll ever be put to bed. Feels like I am close to reaching my wit's end, holding out, but I'm about to blow it up like a volcano. falling down these lies again. This feeling that I had deep down inside. I just wanna be the one you need. Now I need you by my side. I can't sleep at night. Let's get lost in time. Leave it all behind. I can't get enough of that. I know. Let me be the one for you. Be quiet. I hear the thunder that comes from far away. It's like a noise in my head.
The mat also carries a lot of sand. I have to go and weave it out every single day, if not twice a day.
Oh, this world hurts, this world hurts. It cuts you deep and leaves the sky. Oh, this world hurts, this world hurts. It cuts you deep and leaves the sky. We need to get out, 'cause things fall apart, and it frees your heart. It's no longer the same. 'Cause things fall apart, and it frees your heart. It's no longer the same. We need to get out of here.
I'm done quickly tidying up the kitchen, and I will quickly move to the bedroom, whereby I am not going to be showing everything. There you'll just see other things I've done them before, like in the morning, before I decide to make this video. So yeah, let's go to the bedroom after this one. I don't know how you will see or view this clip of me cleaning the wardrobe. I zoomed very small to 5. It's from 5, then 1, zoom to 2 to 3, like zoom in and out. So I zoomed it out. I don't know, it's in and out. I always forget this thing of zooming in and out. So I made it like for it to fit in the screen. Normally the wardrobe, my rooms are too small, so you can't see the whole thing captured in a camera. So I don't know how you will view this thing, but I don't see a problem here. I think it's capturing it so nice.
All these white lies got me hypnotized. Get out of my head, get in my bed, I'm broken. It's only a matter of time. Shifting my paradigms. You harm me, you hurt me, I'm sinking and drowning, and I don't deserve it. Your heart is frozen. The water is rising, and I'm just a drop in the ocean. Drop in the ocean. I'm reaching your loving I'm reaching your
Thank you for joining me, and thank you for being here until this time. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.